Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home improvement with an exceptional product that has been making waves in kitchen renovations: the Art3d 10-sheet premium self-adhesive kitchen backsplash tiles. This product is undoubtedly the best self-adhesive kitchen solution currently on the market. Imagine giving your kitchen a stunning makeover without the hassle of traditional tiling. These premium tiles measure 30 by 30 centimeters, or 12 by 12 inches, and come in a beautiful blue marble design that adds an elegant touch to any kitchen space. Whether you're looking to refresh your existing decor or start from scratch, these tiles are a perfect choice. What sets the Art3d tiles apart is their easy installation process. Designed for those who want a stylish backsplash without the mess, these self-adhesive tiles allow you to simply peel and stick. There's no need for grout, glue, or special tools. Just peel off the backing and apply directly to your wall. This means you can tackle your kitchen renovation in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional tiles. These tiles are made from durable vinyl, which is not only easy to clean but also resistant to moisture and stains. This feature makes them an excellent choice for areas like kitchens and showers, where you want a surface that can stand up to spills and humidity. The thickened top gel gives the tiles a striking three-dimensional effect, making them look and feel like real marble without the hefty price tag. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Art3d tiles can be applied to a variety of surfaces. Whether you're working with prepared plywood, painted gypsum, smooth ceramic tile, or even a glass wall, these tiles will adhere perfectly. They are also designed to be applied over some non-raised surfaces, including cement walls and plywood, ensuring that you have options no matter what your existing space looks like. In terms of coverage, this pack includes 10 sheets, giving you a total of 10 square feet to work with. At a price of just $26.99, that breaks down to approximately $2.70 per square foot, a fantastic deal for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen without breaking the bank. And if you're considering how these tiles will hold up over time, rest assured that the upgraded strong back glue is specially formulated to withstand the unique challenges of kitchen environments. You'll find that these tiles remain securely in place even in high-traffic areas. As you can see, the Art3d premium self-adhesive kitchen backsplash tiles are not just about aesthetics. They offer practicality, ease of use, and durability. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who wants to give their kitchen a fresh look quickly, this product is tailored for you. So, if you're ready to transform your kitchen effortlessly, head over to Amazon and grab your Art3d tiles today. Trust me, you'll love how they can completely change the look of your space. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and leave your comments below about your kitchen renovation experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy decorating.